So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 5 best meme coin that can be listed on Binance Exchange soon. These 5 meme coin can be the next listing for Binance Exchange here. Okay, all the 5 meme coins are very potentially strong meme coin and have potential to give us 100 to maybe 1000x potential by the end of this mega bull here. Okay, I will also show you exchanges where they are listed and from where you can buy these meme coins. So videos can be very special, very important. You have to just watch the computer. Make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, our first meme coin is Pong coin. Okay, $0.3 current price. Current market cap ranking is 328 number ranking. Okay, big price is dropped by almost 6% last 24 hours because the entire crypto market is again dumping here. Current market cap is $184 million market cap. Okay, so this we can say that is still a low cap meme coin. Okay, if we compare its market cap to the current market cap of WIF coin, Floki, okay, Boom coin, and Pepe coin, so its market cap is much lower than these all meme coins. But this meme coin has also potential to gain the market cap of at least 10 to maybe $15 billion by the end of this mega bullion here. Okay, last 24-hour trading volume is amazing, $23 million trading volume. Okay, and total max supply is just 555 million coin, almost all in circulation, so that's good. Coin has recently created its all-time high just 10 days ago, and all-time low was 5 days ago, so that's good. Coin is already listed in MEX exchange where I'm holding this. Okay, listed in MEXC, Bybit, HTX, Gate.io, too many exchanges have listed this coin, and this meme coin has potential to definitely Binance will list this coin in future. Okay, maybe this meme coin can be the next listing for the Binance exchange. Yeah. Friends, the second meme coin is Corgi AI coin. Okay, current price is $0.0016. Current market cap ranking is 162 number ranking. And friends, you can see its market cap is already $560 million. So this is amazing. Okay, but still this meme coin is not listed on tier 1 exchanges or other centralized exchanges. So that's why you can see last 24-hour trading volume is half of $1 million only. Okay, just $538,000 only. Okay, so trading volume is very low, but this meme coin is a AI category meme coin and working in Chronos chain. So that's another unique thing about this meme coin. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin, and we can see soon it's listing on major exchanges, just like recently Bread coin was listed on KuCoin, and maybe we can see a Corgi AI coin to get listed on KuCoin exchange next, or maybe some other major exchanges can list this coin. Here you can see this is the dog theme AI meme coin. So this is really amazing. We are 61% down than its all-time high, and 500% up than its all-time low. Coin is already listed in crypto.com exchange, that is I think only centralized exchange, and Gate.io where this meme coin is listed. But definitely other centralized exchanges will surely list this meme coin because this is the most famous and high market cap meme coin in Chronos chain here. So friends, our third meme coin is Cat in a dog's world. Mu is symbol, 210 number market cap ranking. Current price is $0.004, and market cap is amazing. Here you can see $387 million market cap. So this is amazing. Last 24-hour trading volume is $66 million. Okay friends, so this is the reason that's why this meme coin can be the next meme coin listing for the Binance exchange. This is really amazing. Okay, and here you can see this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana chain. We are 54% down than its all-time high, 381% up than its all-time low. Okay, so from its all-time low, this pump is nothing. This meme coin has potential to gain the market cap of $1 billion in future. Already listed in KuCoin where I'm holding this, Gate.io, OKX, so many centralized exchanges have listed this meme coin, and definitely Binance maybe can list this meme coin because of its huge market cap, because of its trading volume. Okay, maybe we can see its next listing on Binance exchange. And friends, its market cap that is right now under $400 million, that can goes up to 20 to maybe $30 billion by the end of this mega bullion here. Friends, our fourth number meme coin is Meriki coin. Okay, current price $0.013. Current market cap ranking is 448 number ranking. Okay, coin is dumped by almost 13% in last 24 hours because entire crypto market is dumping. This market cap is below than all other three meme coins. Okay, this is another cat theme meme coin on Solana chain. We are 52% down than its all-time high and 191% up than its all-time low. Coin is already listed in KuCoin exchange, Get.io, Bitget, MEXC, HTX, Crypto.com exchange has listed. Okay, too many centralized exchanges have listed this meme coin, and maybe Binance can be the next listing for many coin here. Okay, and its market cap, that is just $116 million here, can goes from here to maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars by the end of this mega bull run. Friends, our fifth and last meme coin is Spread coin. Okay, you can see current price $0.13, current market cap ranking is 81 number ranking, and you can see already has market cap of $1.3 billion here. Okay, this is the number one and high market cap coin on base chain. Okay, that's why you can see its market cap is already $1.3 billion market cap, and yesterday KuCoin has listed this meme coin, and that's the reason, that's why I added this meme coin here in this list. And this is the meme coin on, I'm personally bullish that we can see is listing on Binance exchange. Okay, it's high chances, okay, then all other first four meme coins. Okay, this meme coin can list first on Binance, because you can see its trading volume is higher than all other meme coins, its market cap is already higher than all other meme coins. Last 24-hour trading volume is $151 million, so this is amazing. Okay, coin is working in Bastion, and the number one meme coin for the Bastion, you can see Frog the Bastion meme coin. Just now this meme coin has made its all-time high from where we are just 6% down only, and its all-time low was 3 months ago from where we are 16,000% up. Those, this is amazing. KuCoin has recently listed this coin, you can see. Okay, Get.io, Bybit has listed. Still I think it's not available on MEXC, but soon this meme coin will be available on MEXC. Maybe Binance and Coinbase can list this meme coin soon, because of its market cap, because of its trading volume, because of number of followers, it's hype, and this meme coin is on trending, okay, since long time. So that's the reason, that's why Braid coin can be the next Pepe coin. Okay, this is really the brother of Pepe coin. Okay, that's why Binance can be list this meme coin next year. Okay, so these are the top 5 best meme coin that can be listed on Binance exchange next. Okay, what do you think about these meme coin? You can must comment down below. Are there other some meme coin that can listed Binance exchange? Okay, soon, you can must comment down below.